Here is how we can save bulk contacts on the iPhone. So let me explain it. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. First of all, if I open up my contacts app, you can see we have the regular page, all of the random people which I have stored in here. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to export multiple contacts and I'm going to show you how you can save them and import them. So at first, I'm going to use the two-finger swipe to select multiple people in my contacts list. I'm gonna hold it down on them, and yeah, let me do it again because I wasn't too precise with it. So I'm gonna hold down on it and click on share like this. I'm gonna select all of the fields, continue, and essentially you can see that I have a contact card file, which I'm gonna decide to save it to my files app right here. So I'm going to put it into some folder so I can easily find it. Let's say I'm going to put it into a folder which is called folder 3 for this purpose, and I'm going to click on save. And the point is that I have now created a file which contains contacts. So if I go to the Files app, you can see I am inside of the folder 3 and I have Bob and 4 other people. And if you have this type of file on your iPhone, you can see if I click on Get Info, it is the VCF file, which is the vCard format usually used to store contacts. If you export your Google contacts or any other platform, it's going to be in this file type. And the point is that if I click on Open like that, it basically uses some kind of app to open this up, right? So by default, it went to some other file browser, but I can hold down on it, click on Open With, or actually I'm gonna click on Share like this, and I'm gonna tap on Contacts. And if I do this, you can see that I have the ability to add all of those contacts which were stored in that file with the click of a button, right? So I'm gonna click on just add it like this, and I can create new or add all of them, right? However I like it, and I will basically add it to my contacts, right? So yeah, that's how it works. That's how you can save multiple contacts, and at the same time, that's how you can process it or work with it. I hope that I was able to explain it. If you want something completely different, then let me know about it below. I'm gonna make an updated video about it. I publish a lot of tutorials, which is the reason why you should subscribe, so do that, and I'll see you in the next videos.